We think that in Italy and in all Europe there is a very big lack today. There is not an exclusive store for travelers. We have found a lot of numbers that confirm that travel and tourism market is a business of 19 billion of euro in Italy. For these two main reasons we are going to launch Trip the World.
It's the first one-stop shop for travelers, where it's possible to share experience and find information about destinations, but also buy all the product you need for the trip.
Okay, let's go inside the store. At the entrance there is Trip the World Agency, an innovative travel retail which aims to help you in planning your trip in partnership with TripAdvisor.
After, you can find the basic trip zone, where you can buy all the products essential for each trip. Going on, you find the pharmacy, managed by Essere Benessere, the Italian leader.
Going on, you arrive in the hot and cold zone, where it's possible to find technical apparel assorted for different climatic places.
After, there is a zone dedicated to electronic and photography, where you can find a camera, action camera and video camera, and you have the possibility to print your photos. After, there is the language area managed by Samsonite.
In the middle of the store there are 5 stands which represent the 5 continents and allow you to find more specific informations and live different atmospheres. Beyond it, there are an opinion sharing zone and a bar where themes-based tastes will be served according with the country of the month.